What's up, YouTube? It's Baby from TheZenDoc here. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. In any case, I hope that you will subscribe if you're not already subscribed. In today's video, I will be showing you what should be a really simple, easy to follow, and fun, quick 3D textured art tutorial. This is what we'll be doing today. It's one of my go-tos, one of the first styles of textured art. I have it dried, and it's one that I will continue to love, and I still love. And so I thought, let's just do something fun and easy today. Anyway, I will be using this pre-mixed joint compound paste from USG that I have on hand. It's one that I am testing and trying out and seeing if I will be incorporating into my workflow. But just as a disclaimer, it is pre-mixed, and I do expect to have cracks to some extent. We can talk about how to mitigate cracks and what to do when we do have cracks. But if you also have other, joint compound paste or mixtures or plaster on hand, feel free to use that. You don't have to use something pre-mixed. Like I said, this is just something I'm testing out. But anyway, for this video, we'll be needing a bigger palette knife or spatula or whatever it is called. All of the materials used will be linked in the description, so do not worry about that. And so, given that my joint compound is pre-mixed, what I want to keep in mind is I don't want to layer too thickly. The thicker I scoop, the more prone to cracks my work will be. So just keep that in mind if you're using something pre-mixed, or just as a general rule. The thicker you layer, the more prone to cracks the work will be. So anyway, just going to jump right in and begin to layer. The technique here really is just using lines. So when I layer horizontally, I will then layer vertically, horizontally, vertically, and just like that. And I'll show you, but let's get into it. So this is what it looks like right now. It is still pretty wet, and I'm going to give it about 2 days for it to dry, and then we can check back in, look at the cracks, discuss options for fixing them, and whatever other options we can push this piece of art. I already have a plain white piece here, so for this we can talk colors, we can talk other ideas that I might have. I'm thinking about painting this with coffee, but we can discuss that when it's dry. So I'll see you guys then. So it is fully dry, and surprisingly there are no cracks. I really expected cracks because it's typical with pre-mixed joint compound paste and mixtures, but no cracks so far. And that might be primarily because I tried to layer as thinly as possible. But anyway, today I decided that I will be painting this piece with coffee, just because I already have a plain white piece over here, and I just would love to explore more with this. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I already have a little bit of coffee that I mixed in hot water, and so I'm just gonna take my brush and work it into the piece. So let's get into it. This is how it came out. This is the final look. I added a tiny amount of black paint to give it more depth, and I sealed with a matte spray varnish when it was fully dry before popping it into this beautiful frame. But overall, I'm really happy with it. It can be painted whatever color you want, or it can be kept plain white. If you hold on a second, you will see what it looks like just white. It's beautiful whichever way you look at it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This honestly can take you 5 minutes to create, depending on whatever size you're looking to create. But yeah, I just thought I would share this quick tutorial with you. If you haven't subscribed, I hope that you will. And as a reminder, all of the links will be left in the description. See you next time. Bye.